We all know that CAM software market is full of market-leading providers, and when I set up my company, I wanted to use the best software out there. I've tried a different software. I've tried many different softwares, but time and time again, Fusion 360 comes on top. And it's not only because we do simple parts, and it's not only because we are hobbyists. We're obviously not hobbyists. We're not doing simple parts. We're doing very demanding parts. And with Fusion 360, we can make them much, much quicker than anyone who is not using Fusion 360. So our business started in 2018, and our vision at Near Precision Engineering is to always use the best technology, the best tools, the best software, the best machine tools to produce the best possible parts we can for our customers. As we are certified in ISO 9001 and we're working towards aerospace accreditation as well, we work with different sectors, starting with aerospace, defense, medical, metrology, through even small ones like general engineering. And I was looking for the market for different options, and it's always a game of how much do you pay and how much do you get back from it. With Fusion 360, we not only have great capabilities, but also it's easy to spread that software around the company. It's like your apps on your phone. You don't get trained to use your apps on your phone. They're just user-friendly. Fusion 360 is user-friendly. It's made to make parts. So with other software, it took us over a month to start making money. With Fusion 360, we are making money within week one of having the software, and we are 100% efficient at the end of week one. You have a couple different sources of the support. Really big one that made a good impression on me was the support from Autodesk. We have Autodesk library, Autodesk forums, and the users of Fusion 360 are always helpful. Then you also have YouTube, which is absolutely great because you have users doing different approach to the software, different views on the software. They machine parts in a different way. So you're learning the software, but you're also learning machining techniques. As a new startup, we have to compete with the bigger players, more established players, right? So we have to not only show our skills and craftsmanship, but we have to have a tool that allows us to be better, to be quicker. With Fusion 360, we can deliver parts quicker simply because we can program them quicker. When the RFQ comes in, we can program it and make the spindle turning quicker than everyone else in the market. And we try to utilize the overnight runs, which means when we have a 3-axis machine, we put 10 vices on, we have 10 different one-offs. And with Fusion, to program 10 different one-offs is as easy as program one-off and run it overnight. So we're making money, we're better than our competitors. So pretty much when we started using Fusion, it was a 3-axis package, and we only had a 3-axis machine, so that's what we only needed. But then the business grown and we invested in a 5-axis machine. So naturally, we invested in Fusion 360 machining extensions. And back then I was thinking that machining extensions are only for 5-axis machining. And oh boy, I was wrong. We use extensions for 5-axis machining. We use extensions for 3-axis machining, for automating parts, for making our production runs much more efficient. So when you're running 1,000 off, or hundreds off, or 10,000s off, you're fighting for every second. For any startup company out there, or for anyone looking for better software to produce high complex parts, there are software out there who are more expensive, but for general machining, high complex parts, quick turnarounds, being quick and responsive to the customer needs, just like me, you will find Fusion 360 is not a hobby software. Fusion 360 helped us to increase our turnover by 400% in the last 12 months. Autodesk is listening to customers, and they do implement that. Every few months, the software gets more and more capable. It's not only the best as it is now. Every few months, you're certain it will be better.